The last time we were here, that was just the beam, remember?
Yeah, last time we were here, that was just the beam.
Yep, right there.
Can you
That was the beam.
Yeah.
And now it's covered up.
And,
Woohoo!
and now look over here. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's like done. It's basically done. And now we can notice over here on that tube, they're starting to paint that one. One isn't the most important, okay? We have to go for this. Let's go, guys. So, are you recording?
Yes.
Okay, so over here we see that. Now we can see a little bit of that area. Not the sign yet, sadly, but the cold bar's still open. Aerostrato's still under construction. And yeah. And now what's up there, eh?
Knickknacks. Oh, let's go check out the store. They have a lot of Pixar Fest stuff.
It's now officially done.
Pixar
I want to get it here because here.
Okay, let's go look at the rest of the bridge, and then we gotta hurry up and go back to Disneyland.
Let's look at the pier, guys. Let's look. Whoa!
What?
Look, they're finally doing. Okay, I think that is done. Look, see? Look at that stuff. They're working on the signage, right?
Yep.
Working on
That's
the snowman.
all they did was close it.
We're working on the snowman, guys, finally. And let's look over here. The Incredibles. We're finally doing that area, right?
Oh yeah, they added that. That wasn't there the last time.
Let's continue, guys. Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Let's continue. What?
They added the big beam.
I'm gonna win.
The last thing that they really need to do.
Did they have the top already to the thing for Jessie?
Other way. No.
Oh, that was like that before.
The last thing that they need to add here is the Jesse's Roundup. A lot of this is re-themed already, guys. It's like crazy. It's the end of an era officially, guys. Look at that. They're slowly coming out of their shells. Look up there. Let's see if that small area is still there. Let's look, guys. Why is it so bright now?
Because the sun's hitting. It's closed. The store's open, so maybe they have some merch in there.
It's always been open, guys.
We gotta make it back to the other side.